Hey, I restore pros, friends, and family. I'm here sharing some tips based on my experience. So if you do have a leak and you're on the horn trying to get a hold of a plumber and you're not being able to get a hold of a plumber, here's my suggestion. It's okay to find somebody who's handy, get them to identify where the leak is, and have them cap it off. Okay, cap it off. We still have more cold weather coming up, so have them cap it off, keep water damage from happening, and wait till we finally get some normal weather. The plumbers will start getting caught up. They can come home and fix it. Okay, so you don't have to get a hold of a plumber right now. It's okay to cap it off. It's also okay to go ahead and shut the water off, go to a relative's house, and then come back and take care of it if that is an option. Okay, you guys be safe. Bye bye.